everybody. You are on Code on Puffic channel. Today we will throw our gaze at next 5 Python challenges for beginners and not only. Before we start, please, give a like to this episode so more people can see it. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episodes. Let's go. List and tuple from user input. File extension. First and last colors from a given list. Display a sample examination schedule. Number computing. They will not be solved in the most obvious ways. So, today it will be interesting. List and tuple from user input. Write a Python program that accepts a sequence of comma-separated numbers from the user and generates a list and a tuple of those numbers. A list is a container which holds comma-separated values, items or elements, between square brackets where items or elements need not all have the same type. A tuple is container which holds a series of comma-separated values, items or elements, between parentheses such as an x, y, coordinate. Tuples are like lists, except they are immutable, i.e. you cannot change its content once created, and can hold mixed data types. And solutions here. File extension. Write a Python program that accepts a file name from the user and prints the extension of the file. As the example, solutions will not be bored. First and last colors from a given list. Write a Python program to display the first and last colors from the following list. As an example below. See the solutions. Display a sample examination schedule. Write a Python program to display the examination schedule. Extract the data on scheme below. How many ways do you guess will be here? Let's see. Number computing. Write a Python program that accepts an integer, n, and computes the value of n plus double n plus triple n, as on a picture. And the solution. Thank you for watching. Please, give a like for support this channel. Write comments, share with friends, and subscribe to see new series. Be safe. Bye.